If you're looking for a game-changing tool to boost your productivity, streamline your work, and simplify your life, ReadPo AI could be exactly what you need. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this just-released software and why it's quickly becoming a top choice for businesses and content creators alike. Make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a special bonus that could save you time and money. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try ReadPo AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's jump right into it. What makes ReadPo AI stand out in a crowded market of AI tools? First up, ReadPo AI is an advanced content automation tool that uses cutting-edge AI to help you generate high-quality, readable, and engaging content. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or a content creator, this tool is designed to save you a ton of time while maintaining a professional standard in everything you produce. One of the first things you'll notice when using ReadPo AI is how incredibly intuitive it is. This tool doesn't require a steep learning curve. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can jump right in and start creating. The user interface is simple, clean, and easy to navigate, making it perfect for people who don't have time to waste on complex tools. Another major advantage of ReadPo AI is its versatility. It's not just for one specific type of content. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media content, or email campaigns, ReadPo AI can handle it all. It's built to work across a variety of niches, so whatever industry you're in, you can use it to produce content that resonates with your audience. This makes it one of the most flexible AI tools I've seen in a while. One of the things that sets ReadPo AI apart from other similar tools is its ability to generate content that is both natural and conversational. A lot of AI tools produce text that can come across as robotic or awkward, but ReadPo AI uses a unique algorithm that helps it create content that feels human. This is incredibly important, especially if you're trying to build trust and engagement with your audience. In fact, it can even mimic your own writing style, which is a huge bonus for anyone who has a specific voice or tone they want to maintain. Now, let's talk about something that everyone is concerned about when using AI: quality. How well does ReadPo AI actually write? The answer is really well. The AI is trained on a massive data set, which means it understands context, tone, and the flow of language. It's not just spitting out generic sentences. The content it generates is relevant, accurate, and tailored to your specific needs. You can even tweak it to better match your goals. Another crucial point to consider is ReadPo AI's speed. In today's fast-paced world, time is everything. ReadPo AI can help you generate quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to write it yourself. This is perfect for marketers who need to churn out content quickly, or businesses that need to scale up their content production without sacrificing quality. Speaking of scalability, one of the standout features of ReadPo AI is its ability to help businesses scale content creation without needing a huge team. If you're running a small business or you're a solo entrepreneur, this tool can save you money on hiring additional writers or outsourcing content creation. It's a powerful way to scale without the added overhead. Finally, while ReadPo AI is still fairly new, the team behind it is consistently rolling out updates, making it more powerful and efficient over time. They're really focused on improving the user experience, which means it's only going to get better with time. That's something I always look for when recommending AI tools. If the team is committed to continuous improvement, it's a tool you can rely on for the long run. To wrap it up, ReadPo AI is a fantastic tool that combines ease of use, flexibility, speed, and top-notch quality. Whether you're looking to generate blog posts, social media updates, or anything in between, this tool has you covered. And the best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software solutions, I've curated a list of my top recommendations, which you can find in the description. I've made sure these are the best tools out there for improving productivity and enhancing your business. Don't miss out. Try ReadPo AI for yourself and let me know what you think.